Hello and welcome to LandCentral.com. This will be an instructional video on how to get the most out of our satellite view link. Halfway down each property page you will find this map window. You can zoom in and out and view various parts of the map using this small window, but for the best information you're going to want to click on the satellite view link just above the map. This takes us to a Google Maps page with a lot of different tools you can use. The first thing I want to point out is the difference between these two markers. The red marker with the A marks the spot of the closest street address. The green arrow marks the actual location of the latitude and longitude at one corner of the property. To zoom in and out, you can place your cursor at a specific location and roll your mouse wheel forward to zoom in or backwards to zoom out. You can also use this bar on the left-hand side to zoom in and out based on the center point of the current screen. To move around, you can click your mouse button and hold on a point and then move the mouse. You can also use these directional buttons on the left side. This button in the upper right lets you toggle back and forth between the satellite view, which we're currently looking at, and the map view. If you download the free Google Earth plugin, you can also view the property in the Google Earth window. This, as you can see, shows a greater amount of topographical detail and more 3D imaging for people that are interested in that. For now, let's switch back to the satellite view. And you'll see below the buttons that there is a number of optional features that you can turn on and off. This particular button will display the traffic conditions currently in the area. It merely displays only the major roads. This button will turn on photos that people have taken in the general area and uploaded to Google. If you click on the small icon, then it will bring up the larger picture. Going back to your options, this button will display current weather locations for the area, although you often have to zoom out to be able to see them. And here's one right here. And finally, this option toggles on and off the names of individual cities and major road names, such as the interstate name here and this cemetery located here. If you lose sight of the property that you're originally looking at, you can click this search button here at the top, and it will take you back to the original view of the property. When you click and hold on this orange man on the left side of the screen, it will bring up the Street View options. Any road that turns blue while you're holding the icon means that you can enter Street View at this location. Just move the orange man to the point you want, and then release your mouse button, and the screen will enter Street View. You can look around in Street View by clicking and holding your mouse button anywhere on the screen and moving your mouse to rotate the view. This window here in the corner shows you the direction you're currently facing. You can also check the compass in the upper left to show you the direction that you're facing. To exit Street View, just hit the X in the upper right corner. Finally, if you would like to get directions to the property from any location, click the Get Directions button in the upper left corner. The lat and long of the property corner will be automatically filled in, and you can enter your own address or the address of the closest airport or major city in the A field. And then you can hit Return or click the Get Directions button and the directions will be displayed. So that's a brief overview of the satellite view feature. I hope you enjoy using it.